Good morning, children. Today we are going to do the exercise of Unit 6, the Scholar's Mother Tongue. Do you remember the story? Yes, it was a story about a scholar Pandit who was too much scholar and he knew many languages. Right? So he had challenge in Akbar's court. Whoever will find out his mother tongue is what, he challenged like that. Right? So he started speaking many languages, but no one was able to find out what is his mother tongue is. So in the last, this problem was given to be solved to the Birbal. Birbal took up the challenge. What happened? Who took up the challenge? Birbal, in helping everyone to find out Pandit's mother tongue. What was Pandit's mother tongue? So, how did Birbal find it out? Can you tell me? Do you remember? Yes. What did Birbal did? He went into the Pandit's room when he was fast asleep. वो सोया हुआ था. So what Birbal did? He went inside. He whispered something in his ears. पंडित जब नींद में था तब बीरबल ने क्या किया? उसने पंडित के कान में ईयर में कुछ कहा. फिर उसके बाद बीरबल ने क्या किया? He took a feather and he tickled in Pandit's ear. Now Pandit was fast asleep. Right? So he just caught up in an anger, गुस्से से, and he said something in his mother tongue. Now same with you, as I told you. If you are angry or if you are annoyed, if you don't get the thing which you want, you murmured. अब बबड़ते हो ना, अपने ओन गुनगुनाते हो अपने मदर टंग में. So the Pandit also did the same thing. And at last it came to know that Pandit's mother tongue was Telugu. Okay, now we will do the exercise. New words. Pandit, courtiers. What do you mean by courtiers? It is a court, a king's court, where all the people are sitting over there for some hearings or something. Darbar, courtiers. Different. Something different means alag sa, challenge, to accept something. Tickled means gudgudana. Telugu, it is one type of language. Accepted, to take it. Difficulty means to in a situation, difficult situation, trouble. Caught. Mastery means what? किसमें बहुत ही तेज, एकदम फुल, एकदम होशियारी. Fluently means to speak smoothly. Whispered, हम ears में कुछ बोलते हैं ना एकदम softly, to speak very softly in a low voice. Suddenly means एकदम अचानक. Surprise also is one type of that, only if you feel some surprising. Truth means what? To speak the truth. Okay, now we'll go to the word meanings. Courtiers, people of the king's court. What is courtiers? People of the king's court. Fluently, speaking smoothly. Fluently means what? आहिस्ता साफ एकदम बात करने. Whispered means what? Spoke in a low voice, आहिस्ते से कान में बोलना. Difficult means trouble. Irritated means showing slight anger. So once again we will read new words. Pandit, courtiers, different, challenge, tickled, Telugu, accepted, difficulty, caught, mastery, fluent, whispered, suddenly, surprise, truth. Okay, now word meanings. Courtiers, people of the king's court. Fluently, speaking smoothly. Whispered, spoke in a low voice. Difficult, trouble. irritated, showing slight anger. Now we'll go to the next. Answer the following question. What we are going to do? Answer the following question. Who came to Akbar's court? राजा के दरबार में कौन आया था? ए लर्नड पंडित केम टू अकबर्स कोर्ट. कौन आया था? एक पंडित जो बहुत ही सीखा हुआ था. उसने क्या सीखा था? डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ लैंग्वेजेस. सो इट इज़ कॉल्ड ए लर्नड पंडित. 2 नंबर. व्हाट डिड ही क्लेम टू नो? उसने क्या दावा किया था? आंसर 2. ही क्लेम्ड. उसने दावा किया that he could speak many languages fluently. He claimed that he could speak many languages fluently. उससे बहुत सारी भाषा आती है और एकदम ही अच्छी तरह से. Question 3. How did he challenged everybody? उसने किस तरह से चैलेंज किया? Answer 3. He challenged everybody to name his mother tongue. उसने क्या चैलेंज किया कि मेरी मदर टंग जो है मातृभाषा वो पहचानो. हु टूक अप द पंडित चैलेंज? पंडित की चैलेंज किसने स्वीकार की? बीरबल टूक द पंडित चैलेंज. बीरबल ने पंडित की चैलेंज स्वीकार करी. वंस अगेन आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन. हु केम टू अकबर्स कोर्ट? ए लर्नड पंडित केम टू अकबर्स कोर्ट. What did he claim to know? He claimed that he could speak many languages fluently. How did he challenge everybody? He challenged everybody to name his mother tongue. Who took up the Pandit's challenge? Birbal took up the Pandit's challenge. Question 5. What was the Pandit's mother tongue? What was the Pandit's mother tongue? The Pandit's mother tongue was Telugu. पंडित की जो मदर टंग थी वो क्या थी? पंडित की मदर टंग थी तेलुगु. Question 6. How did बीरबल फाइंड आउट अबाउट द पंडित्स मदर टंग? बीरबल ने किस तरह से पंडित की मदर टंग ढूंढी, फाइंड आउट करी, खोज किया? आंसर 6. एट नाइट बीरबल एंटर्ड क्वाइटली इनटू द पंडित्स रूम. रात के समय बीरबल ने क्या किया? पंडित के रूम में एंटर किया. ही वेंट इन द पंडित्स रूम. व्हेन ही वॉज एस्लीप, वो तभी नींद में था. ही विस्पर्ड समथिंग इनटू हिज ईयर्स. And what he did? He said something in his ears and tickled it with a feather. और उसने क्या किया? उसने tickled it with a feather. The Pandit half awake spoke suddenly in his mother tongue. What happened? The Pandit half awake, एकदम से वो उठ गया, and spoke suddenly in his mother tongue, और इसके मदर टंग में बोला. He said something. In this way, Birbal find out about the Pandit's mother tongue. और इस तरह बीरबल ने पंडित की मदर टंग पहचान ली. Question 5. What was the Pandit's mother tongue? The Pandit's mother tongue was Telugu. What was Pandit's mother tongue? Pandit's mother tongue was Telugu. Question 6. How did Birbal find out about the Pandit's mother tongue? At night, Birbal entered quietly into the Pandit's room. When he was asleep, he whispered something into his ears and tickled it with a feather. The Pandit, half awake, spoke suddenly in his mother tongue. In this way, Birbal find out about the Pandit's mother tongue. So dear children, I hope you have understood new words, word meaning. Answer the following question. All this work you have to complete in your English notebook with neat and clean, good handwriting. Thank you.